To connect Interactive Broker to MetaTrader 4, you need to have an Interactive Broker account and MetaTrader 4 installed on your computer. First, open your MetaTrader 4 platform and click on Tools, then Options, and select the Server tab. In the Server tab, click on the Add New Server button and enter the following details: Interactive Brokers for the server name, and 7496 for the port number. Then click on the Add button. Next, you need to enable ActiveX controls in your MetaTrader 4 platform. To do this, click on Tools, then Options, and select the Expert Advisors tab. Make sure the Enable ActiveX controls checkbox is selected. Now you need to download and install the Interactive Broker plugin for MetaTrader 4. You can do this by going to the Interactive Broker website and following the instructions to download and install the plugin. After installing the plugin, restart your MetaTrader 4 platform. Then click on File and select Login to Trade Account, and enter your Interactive Broker account details. You should now be connected to your Interactive Broker account through MetaTrader 4. You can verify this by checking the account balance and the market data feed. It is essential to note that to maintain a stable connection, you need to keep your MetaTrader 4 platform and the Interactive Broker plugin up to date. Also ensure that your internet connection is stable and that you have the necessary permissions to access your Interactive Broker account. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Interactive Broker to MetaTrader 4 and start trading with the combination of these two powerful platforms.